Hey guys, welcome to another video of Golang. So guys, in this video we will discuss about Go Workspace. So basically Go Workspace is a directory on your system where Go looks for source code, manages dependency packages and build distribution binary files. So inside your Go Workspace or Go path there are three directories: bin, pkg and src. So while installing Go in our machine, I told you to create this three directory or folder. Let's take a look of this directory and what is the use of this directory. So guys, first one is src directory. So this directory contain Go packages. So basically a package is a project directory that contain Go source code. So whenever you will install any packages using Go Get, it will reside here as well. So guys, whenever you will be working with a Go project, you need to create a new directory. So if we go here, hello world, this is our first project or applications. We create a directory, inside that we place main.go. So guys, let me show you one example. I want to download a framework called Vigo for Go web development. So I'm writing Go Get Vigo. It will download the third-party library. To my src folder. So guys, if you see I download Vigo framework, you can see it is reside in our src directory. So whenever we download any third-party library, it will reside in our src folder. So basically src is a directory that contains our Go project and also it contains the third-party package. So guys, the next is package directory. So package directory contain Go package objects that are compiled version of original package source code, and they have a file extension called .a, which stands for archived. So guys, we install Vigo framework package. Let's see what they are in pkg folder. So I'm going to Go directory, inside package. If you see, it contains one archive folder of Vigo.a. Basically a package directory is where Go store pre-compiled object files to speed up the subsequent compiling of programs. So guys, developer has very less access to this pkg folder. We don't have to do anything. So guys, next we will see Go bin. So Go bin is the directory which contain executable builds. Executable are binary files that run on your system and execute tasks. So I will show you one example. So let's go to hello world program. So in that I'm doing Go install main.go. It will create an executable file in bin folder. Okay, let me check that one. Okay, we can see main, one executable file created in bin directory, and we can execute this file anywhere. So guys, this is all about our three directory: Go bin, Go src and Go pkg, Go package. In the next video we will go through each and every line of our program which we wrote before, and then we proceed with Go language fundamentals. So guys, see you in the next tutorial.